Okay, welcome to question 5. So when it went on question 4 and question 5, you'll find the little bit of those long questions, and you'll find them to be a bit challenging. They're not really difficult, but they're a bit challenging. But in this particular question paper, I found question 4 to not be that difficult at all. I feel like it could have just been question 2, could have been question 3. 5.1, on the other hand, we'll find out. Okay, so let's go ahead. Question 5. During the 2008-2012 period to 2012 period, South Africa recorded an average growth rate of just over 2%, largely to global economic recession. So we had a recession, and therefore we were, in a bit of trouble there in South Africa economically. Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, and Western Cape collectively contributed a significant portion to the country's growth. The graph below shows the contributions of these 3 provinces towards the different sectors. And if you look at the different sectors here, your global economic recession leads to a drop in the country's economy. Use the above information to answer the questions that follow. Write down the province that contributed the most to the wholesale sector. Now, if you look at the wholesale sector, the one that provided the most is the one that provided 16%, and that is Western Cape. So I'm just going to leave it and move on to 1.3. 4.1.3, identify the sector in which KwaZulu-Natal made a 12% contribution. Now, if I go here and I look for 12%, that's the one. So that will be transport. So that one is easy to identify. And then for 5.1.3, that will be transport. And then 5.1.4, name the sector that has the largest range. The sector that has the largest range. Okay, so highest minus lowest. Largest range is here because I can see the range is the spread. The numbers are way more spread. These ones are close to each other, so it means the largest range here will be finance. That would be finance. And then name one province that made the most significant contribution towards the growth of most of the sectors. So maybe not all, but most. I'd say they made a lot of contribution there, and more contribution there, and then high contribution there. So I will say, even though they didn't make the highest contribution, but for the most part, they made the highest. So that would be this country here, which is Western Cape again. 3.1.5. 5.1.5 would be Western Cape. I'd say Western Cape. Right.